Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, and I haven't seen you in a long time, maybe because we're covering Rndr again, and I've covered Rndr a lot in the videos, but I haven't covered it for some time. So we're covering it again because I thought it was actually the price action right now. I think it's pretty interesting for multiple reasons. I'll tell you why, but there's actually a level coming up where I am heavily considering buying from. I'm not sure yet what specific trade I'm going to take or anything on it, but I do think there's potential in there. So we'll talk about that, and just in general, I'll tell you what I expect and what's going on with Rndr. All right, so that's what we'll do. Now, before that, I do want to mention that I have my own premium training group right now. So if you actually want to become a better and more profitable trader with the premium training group, so with our exclusive chat room of traders, the trading guides, but also by receiving my own trades, then check out the links down in the description or go to cilinix.com, and there you can actually find out a little bit more information on what it is, what you'll get, and how to enter. So if that sounds interesting, then there you go, and you can find out more information there. But now onto Rndr, all right? So if we talk about Rndr right now, I mean, obviously it has been pretty depressing for, well, the majority of the last month and a couple of days. Like overall, we've been very bearish. Like at some point of time, this was to be expected, but I would say that this is a different scenario than where we were, for example, in February and March, when we also were quite bearish. But then it was quickly down, and then we actually managed to recover. Right now, it's slowly and a long way down. So overall, Rndr is just in a bearish trend. All right, after getting this bearish breakout below 1.8. We were already bearish. Right now, it doesn't look like there's anything stopping it, all right? You could, like, the main resistance, if I can actually identify that, which I'll try to do quickly. The main resistance at this point of time is around 1.7 and 1.65, which you can also see on the charts. That's a big gray area. See, I think we can actually, because Bitcoin right now is looking, well, not necessarily strong, but it's also like there's a chance to actually get some more bullish momentum. So with Rndr, something that's possible is that we'll actually, and something that I might even expect, I'm not sure if I expect it, but I do see it as a very likely move, is that we'll actually test those levels at around 1.65 and 1.7. But I don't see any reason why we would break above that, all right? And we need to, like, if we break above that, then at least we're neutral. I wouldn't necessarily say that we are bullish on the long term. On the short term, that would be bullish, but like if you zoom out, it's still not great. So something like this is possible, but I don't expect it due to the weakness we've seen for Rndr over the last weeks, and also due to my expectations for Bitcoin. Now, what is possible though, is that we do something like that from a level a little bit lower. Like right now, we found support at 1.55. Personally, I have my eyes on 1.5, which is a pretty strong level. I wouldn't necessarily say it's the strongest level out there, but I would say it's pretty strong. You also have the 0.236 fib there, minus 0.236 fib. It's a psychological level. It's in the middle of this key area. This is a level where I am considering buying from. Now, like I said, I haven't necessarily thought about it enough because I don't know where to place a stop loss, and I'm not sure if the risk reward is great. But I think the most likely scenario from here is actually that we will, test that level at 1.65, 1.7, but then continue down towards 1.5, 1.47, little voice crack, and that from there we will actually be able to get some bullish momentum. I would say at least up to like 1.62, but that's something I will also keep you updated on, and I will probably make another video or cover it in my live streams to kind of keep you updated on that. All right, because for now, like I said, I expect a bit of bullish momentum on the short term, so I don't think that level is coming in the next 24 or 48 hours. But I'll keep you updated. For now, that's my update in general on Rndr. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.